Hey all, we're headed to the Junglecruise right now. And to maximize your time, Gina, what kind of app do you use?
Disneyland app. The Lightning Lane Pass.
The Lightning Lane Pass. I'm an idiot, but I'm a smart people. So we're gonna go check it out right now.
Everything underwater and underway is shortly for the thing for plastic snackers. About 8 degrees otherwise.
If interested, please contact.
We have approximately 1,000 of our participation and great.
Like that, it's fine. Ooh, it's on the center seat. Yeah, with a center.
We're in line right now. Birthday girl.
Huh? And to keep the vibe and see how kid-friendly it is. Oh,
Here we go. Happy birthday. I'm gonna hear
Like that, it's fine. Ooh, it's on the center seat. Yeah, with a center.
Oh, to wait! Oh, to wait! Oh, to wait! Oh, to wait!
A bunch of chips. And then I remember, it says I'm a sucker. I can say that, sorry.
You don't believe me? It's part of the it's crazy. They bought that boat for half off. And the one with the gun in it is calling all the shots and smoking things to the gorilla. I mean, I wanted to get out of the car in the middle of the jungle. And even got the lights on it. No wonder why. It shows like it's always closed. No. Please wash your hands and wash your fingers and please. Back. Ooh, okay. Folks, don't worry. That zebra, he's just lying down, okay? He's dead tired. I'm tired. He's fine. He's just getting some shut-eye. Lions are just there to protect him while he sleeps, so don't worry. Oh, no. Never feel it! I told you to stay inside the boat and never argue with the rhino. They walks around. Ever see that Indo-Chinese tiger there? You know tigers are psyched because they don't like to be spotted. Solitary, he doesn't like it. Now be careful of these cobras. I went to high school with all 3 of them. I know, they're snakes. They're also classified as backstabbers and cheaters. She's a rebel, she doesn't take baths, she takes showers. And this is what happens when you shower for too long. You turn into an elephant. It seems like nobody wants to take a shower. I really need to take one. Now I understand this lobster, but if your feet squirt on the right hand, danger. Wild. Now if you felt that distance, if you got wet, I forgot to tell you, I spit. A lot. They're all in their trunk. Just make sure I'm not in that photo. My mother still thinks amazing. I know. It's a great piece of information. Now we are nearing the end of the Junglecruise here at Trader Sam's Gift Shop. Not here, I know. But his lizards, they're monkeying around, the monkeys are spinning around and around, he's just going bananas. You know, speaking of bananas, all they do is steal and take bananas from us and give it to Ellie right now. Yeah, she's the mastermind of all this monkey business. Now, we're gonna leave all these wild animals alone. They really belong in the jungle. But you know what the best animals are? The best animals are all this, folks! We're party animals! Woo! Give yourself a round of applause. We survived the Jungle Cruise! Amazing, amazing. I never